Hey friends, welcome to my channel Be with Prachi, and today I'm going to share with you my Hyderabad vlog. Hope you like it. The COVID-19 pandemic had brought travel to a complete standstill. So the mere thought of travel itself after so long was so emancipating for me. And here I go with, of course, my safety gear in place. The early morning flight and the whole feeling of finally traveling after a year thrilled the travel bug in me. The authorities were taking proper care, and of course guys, please keep in mind that the Arogya Setu app has to be downloaded on the phone before checking in. It felt so good to see the site once again, where things were slowly getting on track. ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरे सेफ्टी गेयर्स हैं, और ये हमारा हैदराबाद ट्रैवल हो रहा है, फाइनली. After a quick lunch at the hotel, we're off to visit the enchanting Charminar. Nestled in the bustling old city of Hyderabad stands Hyderabad's famous landmark which needs no introduction, the Charminar. Near the bank of the river Mushi, it was built in 1591 by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah to commemorate the end of the eradication of a cholera, a deadly disease which was widespread at that time in the city. The Charminar is a square-shaped structure built of granite and lime mortar which is flanked by 4 minarets which stand 48.7 meters high. There are 149 winding steps to reach the upper floor, and it's believed that the 4 minarets are symbolic of Islam's first 4 caliphs. Each minaret is 4 stories tall, and the floors are divided by beautifully carved rings around it. The mosque is located on the top floor, and the visitors can enjoy a short climb of around 149 steps to get there. Initially, it was so proportionately planned that one could see all the 4 corners of the bustling city of Hyderabad through each of its 4 grand arcs. It's a beautiful monument which has Indo-Islamic architecture style, incorporating Persian architecture elements as well. इतनी खूबसूरत मॉन्यूमेंट के सामने सेल्फी तो बनती ही है. So guys, now it's selfie time. The best time to visit this beautiful monument is generally in the months of winter. To the west of the Charminar lies the glittering market of Lad Bazaar or the Chudi Bazaar. Lad means lacquer. The colorful lacquer bangles, the shining pearls, and the excellent jewelry and many more things to take home are a delight to watch also.
इसी के अंदर आ जाओ. एक मिनट देखो मैडम.
The Lad Bazaar is a shopping paradise for women and has been there since the Qutub Shahi and the Nizam era. Though I'm not a bangle shopping buff, I carried some home for my mom. And now after a long and tiring day, it was time for some pet puja. But when in Hyderabad, biryani nahi khai, to kya khaya? So it was biryani time. But this time we tried a different type of a biryani which was called the Mandi biryani. Mandi is a traditional Yemeni dish which is very popular in the Gulf and now equally popular in Hyderabad as well. It's a light flavored rice cooked with spices and dry fruits and ghee, and it's served in a huge, I would say humongously large plate. Guys, trust me, it's huge. The rice is served with some grilled chicken or tandoori chicken, and also with a nice fresh green chutney, some salad, and a traditional chili tomato sauce called savek. The main technique which differentiates mandi from other meat dishes is that the meat is cooked in the tandoor. Trust me guys, it was yummy and such a wonderful experience. Well, this short and sweet trip to Hyderabad was such a refreshing change for me. I hope you've liked my vlog, and please do like, share and subscribe and show me some love. Just be with Prachi.